Pranam friends. Today's lab is about deleting and recovering compartments. All the instructions for this lab is given in multicloudrishi.com. So we are inside the website. We can click here, this OCI Cloud here menu, and inside the guided hands-on lab list. This is the lab we are going to do today, deleting and recovering compartments. And these are the instructions. Make sure the prerequisites are present. If you haven't created any compartment, follow this guided hands-on lab, previous lab, and create some compartments. And if you finish this lab, you will get a compartment in similar shown in this similar logical diagram. So let us start the lab. So before starting the lab, even though this is about OCI deleting and restoring compartments, in so many situations, there is no need for you to delete a compartment because if you think the compartment may be needed after a few hours or something, so instead of deleting it, you can rename it as a compartment to be deleted, just like as I given here. So, and you can keep it or move it to under some other compartment. So you can preserve a compartment like that. There is no need for you to delete if you want to, keep a compartment for future use. So I request you to open these, links here. Let us go ahead and see how to delete a compartment. So with the instructions on hand, let us open our FreeTire account. And in FreeTire account, open the navigation menu. So here in this corner, you can see that this is the navigation menu. So click the navigation menu and go to the identity and security, I think. Yeah, identity and security, and under which you can find the compartments. Now click the compartments. As you can see, there are 3 compartments here, whereas the first and the last are the default compartments which are created by the OCI Oracle itself when I created my tenancy. That is it means my account. So the middle one, demo compartment 1, was created by me. So now we will try to delete this compartment. Okay, so what you have to do is go this 3 dots, left click it and click delete. And it shows a message that you must remove all the resources from the compartment before you delete it. Else, if there are some resources, then it may proceed with deletion, but it will fail and it will come back to active state again. That's what they are saying. So basically they are saying if you want to delete the compartment, first that compartment should be totally empty. So now let us try deleting this, because as if I get into this compartment and I can see there is no child compartments, and so totally I think, and as far as I remember, there is nothing connected with this compartment. So I will go back. In this delete compartment, I'll choose this demo compartment and delete. So delete, and it's, you can see this, the status is changed to deleting. And as you remember, if there is some resource within it, the deletion process will be cancelled and it will come back to active. Else if it will got deleted. Okay, so that's it. So let us wait for a few minutes. And while we wait for a few minutes, let us see what the document is saying. So here they are saying when you delete an compartment, the state of the compartment changes to deleting. So you know this, we have talked about this. Now let's come to here. So what they are saying, after a compartment is deleted, the compartment name will be added with a random number at the, a random number will be added at behind with a dot here. So what is the use of it? They are saying if you want the same compartment name to be used by another compartment which you are going to create, or rename, then you can do it immediately rather than waiting. And the renamed compartment which you have deleted now will be kept for 90 days before it is removed from the compartment picker. So it is just like a recycle bin where you go ahead and pick the deleted compartments. So if you think that, oh, this compartment I have deleted it accidentally or wrong, then you can go back and restore it. That's what they are saying. So 90 days period they have given. So let's come back. Let's see whether this is deleted or not. No, you can see that it came back to active. It means that the compartment is not empty. Something is connected with this compartment. So let us check it and let us try to delete it. The first compartment, okay, we can't find anything. So you can see in this work request that I have tried to delete it twice, but it failed. The deletion process failed. So there are two reasons for the deletion to get failed. One is the active resource present or a insufficient permission. In our case, we have enough permission, so the second thing is not valid. Obviously, there should be some resource present either actively or with some connections. Okay, so some dependencies to the compartment. So we need to investigate this one. This may be the cause of our own failed deletion work. So how to do it? If you go ahead and check yourself, you will find there is no resource within the compartment. The compartment is empty. How come we find that? What are the resources that are connected to the compartment? So if this is our problem, then the solution is two things. One is you need to search for the resource present and either delete it, or if you can't delete it, move them to another compartment, or if there are any dependency, then you have to cut the dependencies. So how to search for the resources? Before starting to search resources, you need to understand one thing. In OCI, there is no such place where you go ahead and click a compartment and it will show all the resources which is associated with the compartment. So you have to go ahead and search each resource type at its own place, and you have to find it. That is the only way. If you have followed our previous lab, you know that it is easy for you on how to do it. Kindly click this one and you can find the instructions how to search for the resources effectively. Now let us go back to the lab and search for the leftover dependencies which is causing our error. Okay, friends, if you find our videos useful to you, then kindly take a minute and subscribe our channel and like the videos. That will motivate us to create more free contents. Thanks, friends. Let us continue our lab. We have to go here. We have to see, okay, is there any instance within the compartment? There is no such instance within the compartment. Now we go back. Is there any database within my compartment? Autonomous database or anything? So there is nothing inside this also. It is empty. So if I go to storage, where is storage? Store and see is there any block volume or boot volume. There is no boot volume or block volume. So like this, they are asking us to go into each of the services and check whether is there any resource still present within the compartment. Whereas there is a link in the documents which says compartment fails to delete. So they are saying that if the compartment fails to delete, rather than going and searching for resources under each heading, there are two things you can do. First, you can go to the Tenancy Explorer, which will show you what are the resources which are connected to a particular compartment. So that can be very useful for you, the Tenancy Explorer. Or else what you do is, if there is a policy attached to the compartment, it won't delete. If you want to see the policies, you can go here. So let us go to the Tenancy Explorer first. So where is the Tenancy Explorer? You go to the Governance and Administration. You go to the Tenancy Explorer. Yes, you can see the Tenancy Explorer is there. And it is also showing the root compartment. Let us choose the demo compartment. Oh, there is a hidden person. Look, a boot volume is here. Well, we go onto the storage, we check. Okay, we check the block volumes, but there it was showing empty for us. But here in Tenancy Explorer, it's showing there is a boot volume attached to it. So let us click it. Let us delete it first. So this resource is deleted. What, deleted or not? What? Let us refresh it. Okay, now it is deleted. Now let us, even though I haven't worked with any policies, I like to check the policies also. So let us go here. Verify that there are no policies in the compartment. Open the navigation menu, click Identity and Security. Under Identity, click Policies. So let us go here. Identity and Security in the navigation menu. Then click Policies. And from the compartment list on the left, select compartment you want to do. Policy attached to compartment. If you can't locate the resource, then check your administrator. So if they are saying that basically, if you can't locate any resource associated with the compartment, maybe if you are a user who is not an administrator, there can be restrictions placed on you, so that that may be the reason that you can't see any resources. So better you ask to the administrator. But in our case, we are with the full admin rights. So, okay, here we can see the policy is totally empty. So I think we are good to go in deleting the compartments. Let's go back. We go to Identity and Security. We choose the compartments. Okay, here we choose this demo compartment and try to delete it. Come on, this time. With fingers crossed, we'll see what happens. Yes, now you can see that our compartment got deleted successfully. Oh, active deleting any state. I need to change it to any state here, the state. So here it is. My compartment is deleted, and you can see a random string is added behind. So this is what happens after deletion. After deletion, the state first, when you initiate deletion, the state of the compartment will go to deleting, then it will get deleted. We have seen it. And after deletion, this kind of a random string, if your compartment name is compartment A, then there will be a random string appended at the end of your compartment name. So why they are doing is because they wanted to keep all those things which is related to the compartment which you delete as separate, because you may create another compartment in the same name. So if there is any dependency already with this compartment, it should not clash with the new compartment which you are creating. So better they what do is they delete the compartment, they rename the compartment, they append it with this any kind of random strings. And what will they do is they will move your deleted compartment into a place called as compartment picker. And inside the compartment picker, it will stay for up to 90 days before it is removed from the compartment picker permanently. So you have a buffer period of 90 days. If you think you deleted a compartment, or is there any dependency problem with the deleted compartment, then you go back and you can do a restore of this compartment. So if, okay, while deleting, this is another important thing. If compartment got deleted and there are some policy statement referring to it, then automatically those policy statement will be pointing towards the new compartment name which is appended here. So basically, even after 90 days, after deletion, why after 90 days, within 90 days it is possible to restore? Because the policy dependency also is redirected automatically to the deleted compartment. Okay, so it is great that they are, making our efforts low, and it's superb. Whenever you find free time, visit multicloudrishi.com. You can learn multiple clouds and cloud-related topics like Linux, Git, Kubernetes, Python for free. I'll be updating each topic one at a time in every weekend. You can go to any cloud hands-on lab list and start practicing the labs too. And make sure to check this free exam discount coupons too. Okay, so let us go ahead and see the steps about recovering the compartment. Okay, so let me zoom in. Before you go for recovering a compartment, hope you remember that the compartment whichever deleted got a random string appended at the name. Okay, so it is here. So we too know that this deleted compartment will be available for only 90 days. So that's what they have said. It will display the deleted compartment for 90 days. So when you recover a deleted compartment, the name isn't changed. They say that now we have changed this demo compartment name by appending a random string. So if you try to recover this compartment, this name with the random string alone will come as the recovered compartment's name. So as a reason for that is they are saying already we have changed all the policy statement to refer to this compartment which is in this new name. So we are not going to roll everything back. We will give it as it is to you. Now, so kindly remember that you won't be getting the old name. If you want and there is no other compartment with similar name, you can rename this compartment after restoring again to its original name. Okay, let us go ahead and see the steps involved in recovering a deleted compartment. I'll opening it in new tab. So they have said that open the navigation. So they basically want us to go to the compartment and in the state select the deleted state. So here in the state you can select the deleted state or any state. So any state will show all the running and deleted compartment. If you change it to the delete state, it will show the deleted compartment alone. So change it to the deleted state. For us, we have kept it in any state, no problem with it. For compartment you want to require, click the action menu and then click restore. So where is the action menu? For this compartment, the action menu is this one. All we have to do is click the action menu and in action menu choose restore. As soon as you choose restore, this compartment will be restored with the current name. So keep working hard, keep yourself focused, believe in God, keep smiling. Meet you in next video. Jai Shri Krishna.